Hey friends, if you wish to get help on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Get Help in the Windows search bar and then go to Get Help. Okay, let it load. Wait for a few seconds. It's a little slow app. So it's just loading. Now you can ask anything. For example, I am experiencing Windows update error and then hit enter. Okay. So it will guide you through all the issues with the Windows updates and their troubleshooting steps. These are basically guides on helping you with the troubleshooting part, but they can help you a lot. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.